Hey, good afternoon from Jeep Beach over here. My name is Raphael Infante with Metra Electronics. Just want to show you guys, this is the newest plug-and-play sound system that we are in bed with, a company called Vibe, a #1 in the UK. So you don't have to cut anything of the factory wires, just a little bit of customs to fit in a larger speaker in the system, and it comes with everything you literally need. All the wires, the connectors, the subwoofers, where to connect it, and the digital sound processor. You don't take out the factory radio. If you're interested in taking out the factory radio and changing the system as well to whatever you want, Kicker, Alpine, anything like that, we do have our units over here that has the same cutout features that allow you to do what you need to do with the newer and older models. If system or a sound system isn't your thing, then we have lighting for you Jeepers. We have our RGB color lights, replacement ones, which I'll show you a sample in a second. We have some simple, just regular replacement lights, some driving lights, some cube lights, some long stretch slim lights. So showing you some of the chasing patterns. I don't know if you can see them very well, but these are our rock lights, our tube lights for underglow. We even have a bar up top. If simple backlighting is going to be your thing, these are backlit RGBs, so they don't give you this bright. Simple whiting that we saw on the table. And this is some of our RGB, again, with our sound system plating. Now, we are the manufacturing company, but if you're in Tampa, best place to get it is going to be FiveStar in Clearwater and a company called Livewire, North Tampa, North Tampa.